Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of geography. So the first question is, which of the following hills are found where the Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats meet? Option A, Annamalai Hills. Option B, Cardamom Hills. Option C, Nilgiri Hills. Option D, Shevaroy Hills. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option C, Nilgiri Hills. So Nilgiri Hills are at the junction of the eastern and western ghats of the Sayadri Hills. The heights of the hill range varies between 2280 and 2290 meters. So this was about question number 1. So you should not restrict yourself to Nilgiri Hills only. You should also know about all other options which are not the part of this answer. You should know about Annamalai Hills, Cardamom Hills, Shevaroy Hills. And these Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats are also very important, especially Western Ghats. So you should know how many states which covers Western Ghats. So what are the important rivers of Western Ghats and what are the important species, flora and fauna that is found in Western Ghats. You should also know the endemic species which are found in Western Ghats only and not found somewhere else in the country. So this was all about question number 1. Now let us discuss question number 2. Consider the following regions. First, Eastern Himalayas. Second, Eastern Mediterranean region. Third, Northwestern Australia. So which of the above is or are biodiversity hotspots? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 1 and 2 only. Option C, 2 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So you can write the answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option B, 1 and 2 only. So Eastern Himalayas and Eastern Mediterranean region are biodiversity hotspots. Southwest part of Australia has hotspot. So you should know how many biodiversity hotspots are there in India. So you should also know the meaning of biodiversity hotspot. What are these hotspots? What are the criteria of an area to be biodiversity hotspot? How many biodiversity hotspots are there in India? And in which region of the India? What are the important flagship species found there? What are the endemic species that is found in those hotspots? So you should know all about these stuff from, you can read all about that from standard sources and basic NCERTs, and you can do internet research also. So now let us discuss question number 3. Which one of the following rivers does not originate in India? A, Bias. B, Chenab. C, Ravi. D, Satluj. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option D, Satluj. So Satluj originates from the central Suleiman region range in Pakistan. So some rivers are very important, like these 5 rivers: Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias, Satluj. So you should know about all about these rivers. So what are the rivers originated in India? What are the rivers originated in Pakistan? And all the important tributaries of these rivers. You should know all about that also. So related to this question, one question was asked in 2021 prelims examination. So there also all these options were there, like Bias, Chenab, Ravi and Satluj. So clearly you can see that the importance of this topic, rivers. So you should also read about other important rivers also, some important peninsular rivers, the Himalayan range, the rivers originated from that, Ganga river, the Yamuna river, and the rivers which ends in that Bangladesh. So you should know also about that. So now let us discuss question number 4. Consider the following statements. First, there are no east flowing rivers in Kerala. Second, there are no west flowing rivers in Madhya Pradesh. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only. Option B, two only. Option C, both one and two. Option D, neither one nor two. So, you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option D, neither one nor two. So three east flowing rivers found in Kerala is Kaveri, Tapti, Narmada and Mahi river flows westward and also flows through Madhya Pradesh. East flowing rivers of Kerala are Kabani, Bhavani and Pambar. The west flowing rivers is in MP are Narmada, Tapti and Mahi. So this was all about question number 4. Again, I am saying that you should read about important rivers in India, and you can also read about the important rivers of the world. So now let us discuss question number 5. Consider the following statements. First, the boundaries of a national park are defined by legislation. Second, a biosphere reserve is declared to conserve a few specific species of flora and fauna. Third, in a wildlife sanctuary, limited biotic interference is permitted. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So, you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option C, 1 and 3 only. So the fixed boundary of a national park is described in the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The legislation states the actual area of the national park, which is notified by the state government. A biosphere reserve conserves an ecosystem and not just few specific species of plants and animals. So you should know about in situ and ex situ conservation of biodiversity. So what are the difference between both these conservation? What are the areas that is included in the in situ conservation and ex situ conservation also? And you should know about national park. So what are the laws that are there for national park in India? You should also know about wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves, and other prominent wildlife areas. So you should also know the difference between all these kind of like national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. So where highest protection is given to the wildlife, so you should know all about that stuff. So that's it about today's video. I hope you like the video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.